Protecting and restoring rivers and wetlands is a priority for iwi and Waikato Regional Council's Integrated Catchment Management Directorate. Therefore, it makes sense for us to work together. Ngāti Haua Mahi Trust and the Council collaborate on restoration projects for the Karapiro and Manga o Nua catchments. These neighbouring catchments are predominantly farmland and highly modified. They are priority areas for work identified in the Waikato and Waipa restoration strategy to improve the health and well-being of the Waikato River. Our program recognises iwi priorities in the restoration strategy of riparian and taonga species habitat restoration, wetland protection and restoration, creation of tuna habitat ponds. And it aligns with WRC's 2016 to 2019 strategic direction. Support communities to take action, strengthen partnerships for positive outcomes, positively influence land choices to ensure long-term sustainability, manage freshwater effectively. The catchments have waterways which feed into the Waikato River. The amount of sedimentation in the Karapiro stream was evident by the plume of discoloration at the confluence in Cambridge every time it rained. Together, the Trust and the Regional Council have planted over 300,000 trees along waterways, in wetlands, and on retired, erosion-prone land belonging to private landowners. Working together helps unlock external funding, particularly through the Waikato River Authority. The Trust grows all the plants, does the riparian planting and plant pest control, and incorporates mātauranga Māori to the projects. The Regional Council focuses on river management, hill country erosion, consenting requirements, and applications for funding. The Trust staff build their skills in areas such as tree pruning, river maintenance, fish surveys, and species identification. WRC staff significantly improve their knowledge of tikanga Māori, catchment history, and cultural values. The work we're doing is reducing the amount of contaminants and sediment entering the waterways and ending up in the Waikato River. The rivers are no longer congested with crack willow or have crumbling banks. There is more habitat and food sources for native fish. Silt-laden stream beds are becoming gravel again, swimmable and able to be used for collection of kai.